Let's go across to our guest joining us. Sanjeev Unyal is a lawyer. Tariq Khan is spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. We will be joined with Bilal Khan, lawyer and political analyst who's questioning the government's conduct in this case. And also Bhanu Pratap Singh, former UP DGP, is joining us. Bhanu Pratap Singh, why don't I start with you? How seriously do you look at Ansari's death while in Banda jail or while in custody? Is that a matter of great concern that legitimately his family is raising, particularly because they had raised concerns over the slow poisoning of the convicted criminal?
Death of any individual, any human being is a sad thing, undoubtedly. But coming specifically to the death of Mukhtar Ansari and the controversy that is being tried to be raised against that in my opinion is surely needless, because it was in a judicial custody that happened. Anything, any finger to be raised against police department or police setup is not proper. Autopsy is being done. Every procedure of the law is being followed, and inquiry is also being conducted. So let us wait for the facts to come out and then come to some conclusion.
No, because he was in judicial custody, is the charge particularly strange and needless because of that? Because it's not like he was, you know, an ordinary convict in an ordinary jail. He was in judicial custody. Surely the circumstances of a judicial custody are slightly different. Could you, for the benefit of our viewers, tell us why somebody being slow poisoned or killed in any other manner in a judicial custody would be very difficult or unimaginable?
It is because he was kept in an isolation barrack, and the complaint against his alleged poisoning had been raised by his family members. The administration was cautious on that. Not only that, when his advocate gave an application in the court regarding this charge, if I remember correctly, the jailer and the two deputy jailers of the Banda jail were suspended also. Only because for giving this reason of presenting an application. Why weren't they cautious? Perhaps. So, and then there is a medical 24/7 medical facility available in judicial custody. And every prisoner has a right to approach the jail authorities if he is feeling unwell, and there is a doctor in the jail as well. There is a hospital in the jail as well also. So to say that somebody would be poisoning him is prima facie ridiculous.
Ridiculous. That's the term you're using, and of course you're a former UP DGP, you know the procedures very well. I want to go across to Tariq Khan then. Tariq Khan, is it not unfortunate that, you know, every kind of death is turned into some sort of a conspiracy, and I don't think that it is to be missed by anybody that it happens when an Atiq Ahmed's death happened, and surely that was a killing, there are no excuses for that. And now Ansari dies possibly of natural causes, that there is also an element of whipping up certain sentiments, isn't it, on the ground?
A responsibility of the state or responsibility of law and order of the state lies on the shoulder of the government, So the judicial custody death has been increasing since last 2 or 3 or 4 years in Uttar Pradesh. We, as a responsible opposition, we are just raising the question why somebody is being admitted just day before yesterday in the hospital, having serious problem, and next day he was returned to the jail. What was the reason behind that? Did he don't possess any type of means? He is not a citizen of India, and if he is in judicial custody, the basic basic responsibility on the government to protect his life, anybody's life.
No, but why do you think that his life was not protected? There has to be prima facie some evidence or some sort of motive to allege. Now, the first question that comes to my mind, I'll give you an opportunity. 1 second, just hear me out. Just hear me out. Just hear me out.
Give me 5 seconds.
1 second, I'll come to the viral audio. Just hear me out. Just hear me out. My question is, and the question that would naturally be asked, when you allege that police officials may be conspiring to kill, or the government may have had some conspiracy to kill somebody who's already a convicted criminal, somebody who's already on a decline, he's no longer a factor in UP politics, he's in jail. Why would they do this? That's the first question that will come to somebody's mind.
Is this a question to me or somebody else?
No, to you only. Is that not a fair question to ask? But why would anybody want to kill Mr. Ansari in judicial
Every question
custody?
asked by any media is fair enough. Means I'm not asking that this question is not fair or that. But one thing arises over here is this: that the audio which is across the spectrum. The audio, in that audio, what Mukhtar Ansari is saying that he is not able to stand since last 10 days. Okay, he is having constipation since last 10 days. Then the audio is there. He is saying to his son that I am not able to even stand. Why is he not admitted to the hospital? Is this a law? If somebody is seriously ill or having serious problems, he should not be admitted to the higher hospital or a higher medical facilities if he is convicted in a serious case.
Okay,